Hey there, Kristen. I'm a licensed occupational therapist, and I'm going to go over a review of this Drive medical chair and also quickly how to put it together. So this is how it comes in the package. The first thing that you will do is flip the seat over and attach the legs by twisting them into the openings. So just twist that until it's hand tightened. And that's tight. And then we'll repeat that with all 4 of the legs. And once you have all 4 of the legs hand tightened, you're going to flip the seat over so that it's upright. And the next thing that you do is attach the back. So we're going to just simply slide this down into place until it snaps. There we go. And same thing with the hand or the armrest. We're just going to slide those into place until they snap into place. Now, the chair is fully assembled and ready to use. You may need to adjust the height of the legs to either make it easier for the person to use. So someone who's taller, obviously we want to raise this up so that it's easier for them to get onto and off of the seat without exerting a whole lot of effort. And also if you are putting it into an unlevel area, say you're going to use this in a bathtub and the back is a little bit higher, than where the front legs would be, then you would want to adjust these legs so that it's level. I do like that this has suction cups on the legs, which makes it extra safe for the tub. But to adjust the legs, you're simply going to flip it back upside down. And as you can see, there are markings here on each leg that will tell you the height. So this leg is on setting number 2. There's a little bit of a red marking there that's showing through number 2. And this one is all the way down on setting number 1. There you go. You can see that red line. So we want those to be level in the back. So we're simply going to turn this clockwise until it matches the one on this side. And you can see the red markings on both of those. So that's how you adjust the leg height. Super simple to use, very sturdy. As you can see, very easy to put together. I highly recommend this for anybody who gets fatigued during the bathing process so that they can take a seat and reduce the risk of falling. And it's also great for people who have poor balance, again, for extra safety feature to use when bathing. So I hope you found the review helpful.